Welcome to our institution. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter in science subject, second chapter, parts of a plant. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Parts of a plant. It's a chapter 2. The topics in this chapter are roots, stem, leaf, flower, fruits and seeds. Okay, roots, stems, leaf, flower, fruits and seeds. See here, identify a given plant as herb, shrub, climber or tree. Already we discussed in earlier class, means in third class what is a herb, what is a shrub, what is a climber or what is a tree. We have to find and we have to write. Okay, next. Here we go in the chapter. A plant has many parts. The different parts of a plant perform different functions. The different parts of a plant perform different functions. The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. See here, parts of a plant is there. Next, root, stem, flower, fruit, seeds. These are the parts of a plant. These are parts of a plant. The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Let us study about each part in detail. First of all, we discuss about the roots. Here is the part root. Here is the part root. This is the root. Okay. First of all, root. The part of a plant which lies under the ground is called the root. Means it is lie under the ground only, no? See here, it is the ground. It lies under the ground. The root is inside the ground only, means under the ground. That is called a root. These are called roots. Roots are two types: tap roots and fibrous roots. Tap roots and fibrous roots. Roots are two types: tap roots and fibrous roots. Okay, next we will go to in this roots there are two types, that is tap roots and fiber roots. First we will discuss about what is the definition of a tap root and type of a tap root and example. Some plants have one thick main root which grows from the lower end of the stem. Some plants have only one thick main root which grows from the lower end of the stem. Mainly small thin hair like roots grows from the main roots. Such a root is called a tap root. Mango, hibiscus, peepal and neem have tap roots. See, this is the main roots which grows from the lower end of the stem. How many small thin hair roots from the main root? This is called the tap root. This is called the tap root. This is known as the tap root. Only one root, it will grow so many thin hair, so many small thin hair like roots from the main root. This type of roots is known as a tap roots. Okay. Fibrous roots. Next we are going to discussing about fibrous roots. Some roots have several tiny roots growing from the lower end of the system. These are called fibrous roots. Paddy, onion, wheat and maize have fibrous roots. Some plants have several tiny roots. See here in this picture, there are so many roots are there growing from the lower end of the system. Okay, there are so many unlimited tiny roots are there. These type of roots are known as a fiber roots. Okay, next, functions of a roots. Already we completed the topic roots and the types of roots, and next we are going to discussing about functions of a roots. Root is nothing but a part of a plant. Okay, next see here, roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. Roots absorb nutrients, water and minerals from the soil. First point, roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. It can hold firmly to the Roots can hold the plant firmly. Okay, see here, this is this is because of strongest root. For that purpose only the tree is standing like this. Okay, roots absorb nutrients, waters and minerals from the soil. Daily we will, in our home, compulsory plants will be there. Okay, we will pour water from in that plants. From that water the roots can absorb the nutrients and the minerals. Okay, roots of some plants store food. We eat these type of roots, for example carrot, radish, example, etc. See here, carrot, radish. Roots of some plants store food. Yes, we eat these type of fruits, for example carrot, radish, etc. Next, here are some fill in the blanks. We can complete that. Roots are the dash parts of the plant, main parts of the plant. Dash holds the plant firmly to the ground. Roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. Roots absorb dash and minerals from the soil. Nutrients. Okay, few minutes back only we discussed that nutrients. The main thick root that grows from the bottom of the stem with its branches is called, this is one type of a root, that is first root, that is tap root. Okay, tap root. Next we are going to discuss the next part of the plant, that is stem, second part. Okay, the part of a plant that grows above the ground is called the stem. Below the ground it's a root, above the ground it's called a stem. Okay, this is nothing but a stem. It holds the plant upright and carries water and minerals from the root to all the parts of a plant. What is the function of a stem? What is the work it will do? What is that means? It will take plant upright and carries water and minerals from the root to all the parts of the plant. Okay. The stem of trees are strong and thick. It is called the trunk. This is called a trunk. The stem of the trees are strong and thick. It is called a trunk. Okay. The stem of a shrub is woody and thinner than that of a tree. On the other hand, the stems of herbs are weak, soft and green. See, shrub, woody. The stem of a shrub is woody and thinner than that of a tree. This is a shrub. Okay. Woody, thinner than that of a tree. On the other hand, the stem of herbs are very weak. See here, herbs stem, it's very weak. Okay, next we will discuss another time. The part of a plant that grows above the ground is called the stem. It holds the plant upright and carries water and minerals from the root to all the parts of a plant. The stem of trees are strong and thick. It is called the trunk. The stem of a shrub is woody and thinner than that of a tree. On the other hand, the stems of herbs are weak, soft and green. Okay, next. This is the stem of the tree is nothing but a trunk. Stem of a shrub. Stem of a herb. Functions of a stem. Next topic is functions of a stem. Stem holds the plant upright above the ground. Already we explained about that. The stem bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The stem bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Here is flowers. It carries nutrients and water from the roots to all parts of the body. It also takes food made by leaves to other parts. What is the function of a stem? It also takes food made by leaves. It also takes food made by leaves to other parts. Stem of certain plants store food. We eat these stems. Is nothing but potato, ginger, etc. Okay, next. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, stem grows below the ground. False. It grows above the ground. Trees have soft and green stem called the trunk. False. The trunk will be very thin and thick. Okay. Herbs have a soft and weak stem. True. The stem carries water and minerals to other parts of the plant. True. The stem of a potato plant stores food. Yes, true. The next we will go jump to another topic. Okay, next part, leaf. See here the picture of a leaf, and here is the closest picture of the leaf. The leaf is an important part of a plant. It prepares food for the plant. Thus, the leaf is called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. Very important. Kitchen or the food factory of the plant. The leaf is important part of a plant. It prepares food. The leaf only prepares the food for the plant, whole plant. Thus, the leaf is also called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. See here, picture is there. We will discuss about this. This is a picture of a leaf. This is known as a leaf blade. This is a side vein. This is a main vein. This is known as a stomata. Stomata. Okay. Next, parts of a leaf. Here is one important. You will see here. The green color in unripe banana is due to the presence of a chlorophyll. The green color in unripe banana is due to the presence of a chlorophyll in the fruit. Okay. A leaf has a flat and broad part called the leaf blade. The leaf blade is attached to the stem of the plant through a tiny stalk called petiole. Petiole. Okay. A leaf has a flat and broad part called the leaf blade. This is nothing but a leaf blade. This is a leaf blade. This leaf blade is attached to the stem of a plant. Stem of a plant. Okay. Stem of a plant. Stem of a plant through a teeny stalk, which is called petiole. Petiole. The thick line that runs from the center of the leaf to its tip is called a midrib or main vein. Main vein. The thick line. See, this is the thick line. See here, the thick line that runs from the center of the leaf to its tip. This is called a midrib or main vein. Numerous small lines arising from the midrib that run throughout the leaf are called side veins. These are all called side veins. A leaf blade has many tiny pores on its surface. These are called stomata. See, this is called a stomata in the middle of the leaf. They help the leaf in exchange of gases. The stomata takes in carbon dioxide for the plant and give out oxygen produced by the plant. A special green colored substance is present on the surface of the leaf. It is called a chlorophyll. The stomata takes in carbon dioxide for the plant and give out oxygen produced by the plant. Okay, plant will take the carbon dioxide and it leaves the oxygen. A special green colored substance is present on the surface of the leaves. It is called a chlorophyll. This is the in this presence only the leaves are getting the color green color. Okay, next functions of a leaf. Leaf prepare food for the plants. Leaf prepare food for the plants. Leaves help a plant to breathe. Leaves release oxygen into the air that is used by animals for breathing. Leaves store a part of the food that they prepare. We eat leaves of certain plants, for example, cabbage, spinach, etc. First function is they will prepare food. Okay. Stomata help to plant to breathe. It releases carbon dioxide and it takes carbon dioxide and releases the oxygen. It will take by human beings and animals also. Leaves store a part of the food they prepare. We eat leaves of certain plants, for example, cabbage, spinach, etc. So many are there. Here there is a fill in the blanks. We can see here the green pigment present in the leaves is chlorophyll. With this presence, we will be getting the color green in the plant. The flat and broad surface of a leaf is a leaf blade. Kitchen of the plant is nothing but leaf. Number of small openings on the surface of the leaf's stomata. The number of lines on the surface of the leaves is side vane. Next topic is flower. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plants. Flowers are of different shapes, size, colors and fragrance. The brightly colored attractive parts of the flower are the petals. These are called the petals. Okay. A flower also has certain green color structure. There are the sepals of a flower. Sepals of a flower. See, here is the picture of a hibiscus and here is a lotus. Lotus. These are called the petals of the flower, and see here so much colorfully these two flowers are there, and the fragrance also so much nice. See here functions of a flowers. Flowers turn into fruits. Flowers provide food to butterflies and honeybees into the form of nectar. Honeybee on a flower. Okay, flowers turn into fruits. Flowers provide food to butterflies and honeybees in the form of a nectar. Next, here is the fill in the blanks. We will fill up it. Fill in the blanks. The dash are the colorful parts of the flower. Already we discussed it is a petals. The petals. Functions of a flowers. Flowers turn into fruits. Fruits provide food to butterflies and honeybees in the form of a nectar. Honeybee on a flower. See here, honeybee on a flower. Next, time to answer. Fill in the blanks. The dash are the colorful parts of a flower. Already we discussed that is called a petals for the lotus flower. The dash are the green colored part of a flower. Sepals. Okay. Flower provide dash to the bees and butterflies food. Dash are the most beautiful part of a plant. Flowers. Flowers turn into fruits. Okay. Next topic, fruits and seeds. Flowers of the most of the plants change into fruits. Fruits are the fleshy part of a plant. This is the part of the plant that we usually eat. Fruits are the fleshy part of the plant. This is the part of the plant that we usually eat. Examples are there orange and mango. Fleshy parts of the plant and we will eat as a fruit. Next. Fruits cover and protect the seeds of the plant. Some fruits have only one seed, for example mango and apricot. See here, apricot fruit having only one seed and mango having only one seed. Some other fruits have many seeds, for example orange, papaya and watermelon. See here, orange have so many seeds. Already you will eat so many times orange, I think. You will see the seeds, so many are there. And papaya also. The world's most popular fruit is tomato. Okay. Next. Seeds are also an important part of the plant. Seeds produce new plants. Seeds of the some plants can be eaten and they are called edible seeds. For example, seeds of almond, groundnuts and coconut. See here, almonds. Daily we will eat almonds. Okay. These are called edible seeds. Groundnut we will not eat daily, as we can use as some part of the tiffins in the purpose of a food. Okay, as a oil also, groundnut oil, almond oils also we can use as a presence of oil also. These seeds are known as nothing but edible seeds. Okay, the seeds of certain plants cannot be eaten. They are called inedible seeds. For example, seeds of watermelon, mango, cherry and apricot. These seeds are called inedible seeds. We cannot be eaten. Okay. Fruits have, next for some examples are there. Fruits have dash inside them. Seeds. SEEDS. A dash helps in growing new plants. Seeds helps in growing new plants. Dash are formed from the flowers. Fruits. Fruits are formed from the flowers. Groundnut is an edible seed. Edible seed, just now we discussed. No? Next. See here, 3 important points are there. We will discuss now. What is the meaning of a taproot, fibrous roots, tomato? In roots, 2 types are there, taproots and fiber roots. Already we discussed it. Another time I'm going to explain you. Roots that have a main root and having many small roots growing from it. This is nothing but a taproots. A bunch of tiny roots that grow from the lower end of the stem are called fiber roots. Stomata, tiny pores present on the surface of a leaf. In every leaf there will be a stomata. Okay, next. Now I am going to tell you in this whole lesson from all important points. See here, see very important points. We will explain that. The part of a plant below the soil is called a root. There are two types of roots, tap roots and fiber roots. Roots absorb nutrients and water from the soil and keep the plant fixed in the soil. The part of a plant above the soil is called a stem. The stem carries water, mineral salts and food to the different parts of the plant. It also holds the plant upright. Leaf is called the food factory or kitchen of a plant. A leaf is made up of different parts. These are leaf, blade, petiole, midrib and veins. Flowers are the most attractive and beautiful part of a plant. Fruits develop from flowers. Fruits cover and protect the seeds of the plant. Seeds produce new plants. See here, there are true or false. We will see here. The root holds a plant upright. No. The stem holds the plant upright. Leaves help in preparing food for a plant. True. Papaya has so many seeds. Yes, true. A leaf is called the food factory of a plant. Yes, true. Coconut is a non-edible seed. No, coconut is a edible seed. Tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are called stomata. The green color of leaves is due to chlorophyll. The stem holds the plant upright. The roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Here is a match the following. Root is nothing but a lies under the ground. Stem takes food to all parts of the plant. Leaves. Next, all food factory of the plant. Flower helps in reproduction. Seeds is found inside the fruit. Multiple choice questions are there. Which of the following plants store in root? Carrot, mango, potato, sweet potato. Carrot. Which of the following parts of a plant transport water and minerals of the other parts of the plant? Stem. Fruit covers and protect the leaves. Which of the following is an edible oil? Groundnut. Groundnut seed. Fruit cover and protect the seeds. Next. Mango has only one seed. Yes. Potato and ginger are examples of fruits. No. Wheat and rice have fibrous fruits. No. The part of the plant which remains under the ground is called a shoot. No. Leaves support the branches of the plant. No. See, here are the same questions. Name of the parts of the plant that are above the ground. What are the two main functions of the root? What is the function of the stomata? Write the name of the two plants that store food in their roots. Next question, give two examples of taproot and fibrous root. Next, here is the two important points are there. We will see here once again. Neil prepared a salad using the fruits mentioned below. Name the parts of the plant used in this salad. Carrot, onion, cucumber, tomato, sweet potato. Classify the following plants into herbs, shrubs and trees on the basis of their stem. Mango, tulsi, mint, rose, lily, neem, bougainvillea, grass. Here is the explanation of chapter. Parts of a plant is over, children. If you have any doubt, you can mention me in the comment box. Okay, you can mention me in the comment box. Next, please subscribe to my channel with your like and comments. If you have any doubt, you can mention me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.